Because I'm here with my little cat. So what? Touches. Then I say touche. And I say short video. Look at it. It's tired. So I know cats aren't like known for all those like tricks and all. But me and my cat can do something. Like what's this? Hey yeah. Okay, so come here. Wait, what are you doing with your paw? Is it okay? Yeah. You okay? Are you wakey? Wakey, wakey. There we go. Okay, so shake. Good boy. No, I'll do it again. Shake. Good boy. High five. High five. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Now it gets. So, do it again. Give me a shake. Good boy. Give me a high five. Good boy. Oh, you're so cute. Oops. Okay, so. Come on. No, wait, put your paw away. Now do this. Come on. Wait. Give me a shake. Good boy. Give me a high five. Good boy. If you can't see. Oh, what a good boy you are. Okie dokie dokie. And last but not least. Okay, now. But last but not least. Give me a hug. You okay? Okay, so last but not least, give me a hug. Okay, so how do I